Max Celebrates Groundhog Day by Adria F. Worsham, illustrated by Myrnie Gallagher Cole. Max and Zoe are very excited. They are going on a field trip with their classmates. The teacher tells the class it is Groundhog Day. They are going to the park to see the groundhog. Lots of people are at the park. There is going to be a special celebration for Groundhog Day. The teacher tells the class about the groundhog. The groundhog lives in a hole in the ground. It comes out to get food. On Groundhog Day, the groundhog comes out of its hole and looks for its shadow. Max and Zoe want to see the groundhog. They watch the hole in the ground. On a sunny day, the groundhog will see its shadow. If the groundhog sees its shadow, it goes back into the hole. The teacher says this means there will be 6 more weeks of winter. Max shouts. He sees the groundhog come out of its hole. Everyone is looking and pointing at the groundhog. Today is a cloudy day. The groundhog cannot see its shadow. Max is glad that today is a cloudy day. The groundhog cannot see its shadow. The teacher says this means spring will be here soon. Max is glad that the groundhog did not see its shadow. He is glad that spring will be here soon.
Okay, boys and girls, so now we're going to take the test on Max Celebrates Groundhog Day. Are you all ready? Let's begin. So question number 1 says, why are Max and Zoe very excited? A, it's time for recess. B, they're having a party to celebrate the end of school. C, the teacher is getting a new class pet. Or D, they are going on a field trip with their classmates. Yes, good job. Letter D. Question number 2. To see the groundhog, the class is going to... Where are they going, guys? Are they going to the park, to the farm, a forest, or the zoo? Yes, excellent, the park. What does the teacher say about the groundhog? It makes a loud noise when it walks. It is old and friendly. It has babies in its holes in the ground. Or it comes out of its hole to get food. Yes, boys and girls, awesome. Letter D. Number 4, the groundhog will go back into the hole if A, it sees its shadow, B, the children make too much noise, C, good morning. So sorry, boys and girls. C, it cannot find any food, or D, the weather is too cold. Yes, boys and girls, letter A. If it sees its shadow, it will go back to its hole. Max is glad that the groundhog did not see its shadow because it means A, spring will come soon. B, the class can stay longer to watch the groundhog. C, more snow will fall. Or D, the groundhog will get better. Yes, spring will come soon. If it doesn't see its shadow, Spring will come soon. Good job, boys and girls. How much did we like the book? I'm going to put 4 stars because I actually enjoyed it. It was really nice. And we got 100. Good job, boys and girls.